Hello everyone, in today's video I will be sharing this tablescape that you can do for New Year or for Christmas. So this theme is white and gold or gold and white, and most of the items that I used in here are from the thrift store, the dollar store, Dollar Tree, or some are really DIY, and these are very affordable and easy to put together. You don't really have to do exactly what I have in here, but this kind of give you some inspiration. So I hope that you enjoy this video. So let's get started. So for this tablescape, everyone, it didn't cost me a lot of money because most of the items are items that I already have and items that was gifted to me or some DIY items that I created. So the placemat, I got this from the Dollar Tree and it was $1 at the time that I purchased this, which is about 2 years ago. And then the charger is $1 as well. And then the plates, I got these plates from the thrift store and I got a really good deal for this one because it was really cheap. I believe I paid $10 for a big set of plates with cups and stuff like that. And then I topped this with some of the New Year noisy, that you can blow for the New Year. And then the napkins, I got this from the thrift store and I just washed it really good. And then the napkin holder, this is one of my DIY. I'm very proud of that napkin holder because I really like it. And then I just put the spoon, the knives, and fork on the side. And then I have this wine glass. This wine glass were actually gifted to me during Christmas. And then the Mikasa crystal glass also is gifted to me by my mother-in-law. And I really like this kind of combination because I like the glass. I just like the way it looks. So with the napkin holder, I have the silver and white because I didn't have enough of the silver at that time when I did a DIY for the napkin holder. So it's really easy to put this together. And the napkin holder, everyone, it probably just cost me under $5 at that time. And then my centerpiece, the deer are from the thrift store. I paid $30 for 3 of the deer, the mama deer, the dad, and the baby. And then I just put ornaments in the middle just to make it look beautiful, to complement everything that I use to put together this tablescape. And I like the combination of the silver and white and the gold because I don't know, for some reason it just bring happiness to my eyes. So I just have 3 different sizes of vase and I load it with some of the ornaments. And the ornaments, I got this from the thrift store and some are from the dollar store. And those little balls, like the foam balls, I got those from the Dollar General or Dollar Tree. I paid $1 at that time. Right now they already changed the price for $1.25. And this candle holder right here, I actually did this one. I created this. This is actually a candle holder and I just made it as a decoration instead of putting candle since we can't have candles here in the house. So this is really easy and simple, but I like how elegant it looks. And then my table runner is from Walmart. It's gold and I also have some gold placement, but I choose not to use it because I don't want it too much gold. So this is my tablescape that you can create for New Year, or you can create this for Christmas dinner or Christmas lunch. It's very simple and you don't have to buy anything if you already have all the tablecloth, the placemat, charger, plates, fork, and cups like that. Just, arrange it however you want to and you'll be surprised how beautiful it will turn out. So I'm going to let you continue watch this one and I will see you all here in a few. Everyone, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that this inspires you to create your tablescape for this new year 2023 or for Christmas. Get together with your family and friends. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to our channel and also hit the bell. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a new videos. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining here with me. Bye bye until next time.